Today we're going to be drawing a skull with bones.
With some bones. Ooh,
So
scary
if you want to follow along, make sure to get a piece of paper.
What else?
A Sharpie.
Sharpie.
And some colored markers.
Some markers.
Some colored markers.
Yeah. All right, let's get started. Okay, now let's get this skull going. This will be fun. I love skulls. All right. So for our skull, we're gonna do the skull's head, but we have some bones that we're gonna have extensions off of the head. So let's leave some space on the side. So we're gonna do like an egg shape, and I'm gonna do an egg kind of like this, a sideways egg. Like that. So remember, come back and leave a little bit of a gap about the same level like this. Yep. Now we're gonna go down on both sides, and then we're gonna join them together at the bottom, like that. Okay, and then we're gonna do two eyeballs, like that, and we'll draw a triangle. Let's wait for coloring at the end. We'll do a triangle for the nose. And then we'll do some lines for like the teeth. Like that. All right, now there's gonna be one bone that goes this way and one bone that goes that way. So over here, this bone's gonna have two lines that kind of look like they're coming out of his head. That's right. And then these round shapes, like two round shapes. And you guys have seen dog bones. Kind of looks like a dog bone. So now watch, if you draw a pretend line all the way down here, that looks like it's connecting. And this one here.
I drew the line by accident.
That's all right. It's okay. We all make accidents, and that's how we learn. So don't worry, it's a Sharpie, it's like a permanent marker, it won't go away, but it's okay. So now, see the angle you have here, this line in this direction? Let's do another one here, and we'll do another one there. Yep, and then we'll do two circular shapes, two round shapes, kind of like an upside down heart, almost like an upside down heart. And now we'll do the same thing in this direction. So we'll do two lines over here with a kind of like that heart shape up there, and then draw that imaginary line down here, and then we'll draw two lines down that way and an upside down heart shape for that. All right. Now, we're just gonna keep going and grab our thicker black marker. And we will fill in the eyes. And we'll fill in the triangular nose. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a thicker line. So I'm gonna trace over that line.
I was gonna do that.
Yeah, let's make like a thicker line, because this is a thick, spooky, kind of mean skull shape here. And then we'll just trace right over all of our lines, go nice and thick. Just make it like stand out a little bit more. And then for the bones, yeah, if you want to just do like on one side, you can make it look like it's a shadow also, if you want to do something like that. There we go. There. And that is our skull.
So can we color it? Like we can color however we want?
Yeah. You want to color the skull in?
Yeah.
All right, let's color it in. You guys can follow along. We're going to speed this up. These skulls look spooky to me. I'm super scared. I don't even want to get really close to them. They're so spooky.
They're not spooky.
No, they're not. But I hope yours looks spooky. Go show your parents and show them how spooky yours looks like. See if you can scare them. So we added some extra little details with some spider webs and some creepy crawly spiders on top. We did some like cuts in the skull's head, like broken up skull, things like that. So hope everybody liked that video and you check out some of our other ones. Bye.
Bye.